From Divines to Star of the Light Chalea, Channel and Mystic. This is an important message for all Lightworkers, the Galactic Federation. Blessings to our dear Earth family. We thank you for connecting with us. Many of you have undoubtedly noticed a significant trend, one might say, regarding the ways in which your star families communicate with you. This communication is imbued with profound purpose and intention. Each star family provides you with unique insights designed to encourage you to think critically and independently for yourselves. This process of engagement is essential, as it fosters a deeper connection with your own inner wisdom and encourages personal growth. A message that is intended to uplift you and enhance your own understanding must inherently allow you the freedom to arrive at your own conclusions about what is manifesting in your reality. It is crucial to recognize that for any group of entities, or indeed for any individual, to assert that their way is the only path to truth, or to try and discredit or put down other Lightworkers, is a form of deception and very ignorant, if you ask me. Such claims can lead to disillusionment and confusion, causing many to alter their path by following someone else's ideas and opinions. Those who feel threatened by the light work of others often find themselves not in a place of unity, but rather in a space of separation, distancing themselves from the collective consciousness that thrives on collaboration and mutual support. When we encourage you to maintain your own personal discernment, we are emphasizing the importance of individual realization and understanding. Each person must embark on their own journey to discover their truth, which is especially vital in a world where an overwhelming amount of information and diverse energies are constantly bombarding you from all directions. In these precious moments of your ascension, it becomes increasingly important to align with your own inner knowing. This inner guidance is a powerful compass that can lead you through the complexities of your spiritual journey. Remember, no one else is leading you on this path. Only the divine light that resides within you can guide you home. You are the ones taking each step of your own personal free will, making choices that resonate with your heart and soul. While we, as your star families, wish to provide you with insights and understanding, our ultimate purpose is to serve the light. In fulfilling this purpose, we shine our light so that you can more easily find the path that aligns with your true purpose and deepest desires. This journey is uniquely yours, and it is essential to embrace the process of inner discovery and empowerment that comes with it. It is essential to cultivate the practice of celebrating others and uplifting them in the radiant light that they embody. This act of recognition is a profound appreciation for the unique gifts and talents that each individual brings to the world. When you encounter someone who is generously sharing their light with others, whether through acts of kindness, creative expression, or simply by being a source of positivity and inspiration, take a moment to praise them sincerely. Your words of encouragement can serve as a powerful reminder that they are not only contributing to the well-being of those around them, but also manifesting the spirit of the divine in their human expression. By actively engaging in this celebration, you create an environment where love, support, and gratitude flourish. It fosters a community rooted in compassion and mutual respect, allowing everyone to thrive. Recognizing the light in others helps to illuminate the paths of those who may be struggling, encouraging them to continue shining brightly. Remember, every time you uplift someone, you are participating in a larger tapestry of connection and unity, where each thread represents a unique individual contributing to the collective human experience. In this way, celebrating others becomes a transformative practice, not only for them, but also for you. It enriches your own spirit, deepens your relationships, and reinforces the understanding that you are all interconnected beings sharing this journey together. So let your praises be a beacon of hope and a testament to the beauty of the human spirit, inspiring others to embrace their own light and share it freely with the world around them. We love you and celebrate your light within. We are the Galactic Federation. From universallighthouse.com.